Hi everyone, I'm Ben Davies and this is an overview of my research proposal. At this point in time, my research question is, to what extent have contemporary design practices been incorporated into the visual communication design curriculum across its 4 VCE units? This question has stemmed from observations around the VCE study guide, discussions with teachers and students, observations of classrooms, and a look at how VisCom Victoria, the body that represents VCD teachers, also handles the subject of industry knowledge across the student and teacher development days which it hosts. The VCD curriculum from level 7 upwards through to VCE makes it clear that it's industry focused. Student investigations are centred around one of 3 design disciplines: communication, industrial and environmental, and studies within these disciplines revolves around a highly specific and defined design process. This question looks at external industry-based influences upon these disciplines and that design process, and how these are integrated into the classroom. The key concepts covered by this question are contemporary design practices, the word extent, and the 4 VCE units. By far the most ambiguous aspect of the question is the concept of contemporary design. This highly contextual and fluid area of practice will need some concrete boundaries in order to be included within this study. The word extent signifies a measurement of some kind, so for its inclusion within the question I need to clearly define just how I intend to explore the ranges of inclusion that I see within classrooms. The investigation covers just 4 VCE units, rather than the entire 7 to 12 curricula, quite intentionally. The VCE unit structure mirrors the design process defined throughout the VisCom levels, but it spreads it out across a year, in the case of units 2 and 3, giving me an opportunity to conduct some deep content analysis across these units. Qualitative case studies will be conducted as part of this project. The case studies will take the form of interviews with 2 to 3 VCD teachers, class observations and content analysis of teacher, curriculum and student documents. This will be augmented with potential input from the curriculum manager and intermediary organisations such as VisCom Victoria and Drawing Tools, who provide VCD resources to teachers. The main limitations I foresee at this stage are the broadness of the question clashing with the reality of the time, ethical and access constraints that I have. I also fear a bias around this question. I've been drawn to investigate the history of the curriculum and its relevance to contemporary design, but I have to be careful that I don't start looking only for specific things. With that said, I'm quite excited and inspired to conduct this research and hopeful that it can lead to bigger, more comprehensive studies. Thank you.